Hello students, in today's session we are going to see the remaining part of integration by parts. Right, so here before starting that we have to be very clear with the fundamental ideas for this exercise, and here one of the note. So d by dx of log x is 1 by x, we all know it very clearly, so you can see d by dx of 1 by x is equal to log x, and the other one is d by dx of 1 by x power n is minus n by x power n plus 1. So these two formula are important for doing most of the sums in this particular exercise 2.5 for some parts of the sum. And now how to apply this formula, integral d by dx of 1 by x power n formula. Okay, here I have given some example. D by dx of 1 by x power 3 means in the n place what we have, 3. So take this and apply in the formula. So minus n by x power n plus 1. So in the n place we have 3. So apply there. So minus 3 by x power 3 plus 1. That is minus 3 by x power 4. So that is the answer. So like that I have given the other example 1 by x. In most of the sums you are going to have this type of differentiation. 1 by x means here the power of x is 1. So take that 1 and apply in the formula. So we will be having minus 1 by x power 1 plus 1. That is minus 1 by x square. So this is all about differentiation concept. And this is integration concept. We already know it very clearly. Integral of x power n dx means what is the answer? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Right. And now we are going to see exercise number 2.5, sum number 3. So they have given I equal to log x integral log x dx plus log x dx they have given. So first you write isolate, the word isolate you write. Here you can see only one function is given. What is that? Log x. So below L you write log x. So here only one function. So obviously this is the first coming and is the only function. So it should be chosen as u. So u equal to log x. Right. So if it is u, then this must be dv. So dv equal to dx, because we compare the whole integral with integral u dv. So that is the reason why I say this is u and this is dv. Right. But this time we are not going to do u dash, u double dash, all such things. Whenever the log x is present in your integral, then don't follow the Bernoulli formula. Better you can follow the integration by parts, the standard formula. What is the integration by parts standard formula? Here you can see integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du, this formula. So for this formula, this is the question, so it's not a problem. But this side what we need u and then v. And in this one we need v and du. So we are going to find these required values from the given values, right? So you basically, when you differentiate, what you get? U dash. Okay, so that u dash is nothing but du by dx, because you are differentiating u function with respect to x. So hereafter keep in mind, finding u dash is nothing but du by dx. So u, when you differentiate, you get du by dx. So like that, log x, when you differentiate, you get 1 by x. So we need only du. So take dx to the other side. So you get 1 by x into dx. So this side, this part is over. Right, and this side. So dv equal to dx. We know very well, when you integrate dv, we get what? V. So v equal to integration of dv. What is dv answer? Dx. So when you integrate dx, you get x. So v equal to x. So all the values we got. Now go back to the formula and apply the values. So integral u dv. So u is log x, dv is nothing but dx, equal to uv, that is log x into the v answer x. So log x into x minus integral v du. So v answer is x into du answer is 1 by x into dx, that I am substituting. So this x and this x will be cancelled. So we will be having 1 dx. 1, when you integrate, I said whenever you integrate a number, the answer is number into x. So here we have 1. So 1 when you integrate 1 into x, so x. So already there is a minus sign, so minus. So this x I keep it in the front. So x log x minus x plus c. Now we are going to see the same exercise, fourth sum. I equal to integral x into log x dx. So write the word isolate. So here we have two functions, x and log x. So x is an algebraic function. So below a I am writing x. And log x is an logarithm function. So below L we are writing log x. Okay, by the isolate principle, out of these two, which comes first? Log x, right? So the log x you have to name it as u. Then if it is u, this is u, then ux and dx together will be taken as dv, right? So u equal to log x If it is u, the remaining part of the integral, that is x and dx, will be treated as dv. So u equal to log x and dv equal to x into dx, right? So this time in the integral we have log x, so we can use Bernoulli form, but instead of that, which one is better if you ask, we can go for the standard integral formula. So we are going to use the standard formula. So standard formula is integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. So we want du value and u value and v value. So here u equal to log x. So we have to find u dash, that is nothing but du by dx equal to, when you differentiate log x you get 1 by x and take dx to the other side. So du equal to 1 by x dx, we got it. On the other side, that is dv equal to x into dx we have. We want to find v. So if you want to find v, integrate on both sides. This side when you integrate dv, we will get v. And this side when you integrate, that is integral x power 1 dx. So we know the formula. X power n formula is what? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So by that x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. That is x power 2 by 2. So v answer is x power 2 by 2. Okay, we got the answer for u, v and du. Now the formula we have. So integral u dv, that is mostly this side question will come. So that's not a problem. Equal to uv. So u answer is log x. V answer is x square by 2. Multiply them. So log x into x square by 2 minus integral v du. That is v answer is x square by 2 into du. Du is nothing but 1 by x dx. Apply in this place. This 1 by 2 you take it outside the integral and 1x will be cancelled. So we'll be having only 1x inside the integral. X means the power is 1. So when you integrate x power 1, the answer is x square by 2. So we have got this stage. That is x square by 2. This first term will remain the same. So x square by 2 log x minus 1 by 2 into x square by 2. In both terms you can see x square by 2 common. If you take it out, you'll be having log x minus 1 by 2 plus c. On the left side you can write the question. Now we are going to see sum number 5 in the exercise. I equal to integral x power n log x dx. So here x power n is an algebraic function. So below a I write x power n. Log x is a logarithmic function. So below l I write log x. So out of these two, which comes first? Log x. So by Euler principle, u equal to log x. If it is u, then x power n and dx, the remaining part of the integral, will be compared with dv, because we basically compare the whole integral with integral u dv. So u is log x and the dv is x power n into dx, right? So since we have log x in our integral, we can apply the standard form of integration by parts formula. So that is integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. So we need only three values, u, v and du. Okay. If u equal to log x, then du by dx, when you differentiate this, you get du by dx equal to 1 by x. We want only du, so take dx to the other side. So du equal to 1 by x into dx. Okay. Now we need v value, so go for this side. So dv equal to x power n into dx. So we can get v by integrating. So if you integrate dv, we get v directly. Like that, here when you integrate x power n dx, we get x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. It is a direct formula. Anyways, it is used for this sum. Okay, now we apply in the formula. So integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. So u dv, so u is log x and dv is x power n dx. So it is applied here, equal to uv. So multiply the u answer with v answer, that is log x into x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus integral v du. V is what? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into du. Du answer is 1 by x into dx. So here 1 by n plus 1 is a constant. Take it out. So what we have here, the denominator will be having a x and in the numerator x power n plus 1. This can be splitted as x power n into x power 1, that is x. Okay, now this 1x will get cancelled. So we'll be having only integral x power n dx. Okay. The front term will be the same, so this can be kept it in the front. So x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 log x minus 1 by n plus 1 integral x power n dx. X power n, when you integrate what? We know the formula, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. And that's all. In these two terms, you can again see x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 as common. If you take it out, you have log x minus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So based on this particular sum, it is a very important sum. Sometimes objectives can be asked. If this power is 2, then you can apply this n as 2 to get the general answer without even solving, right? For example, if it is 2, then what can be the answer? X power 2 plus 1, 3 by 3. Here log x minus 1 by 3. Suppose if it is 5, what can be the answer? X power 5 plus 1, 6 by 6. So x power 6 by 6 log x minus 1 by 6. So like that, if they give any power for n, we can find it. So for that, you must know this particular sum's answer. So this question and answer, both you must know. Now we are going to see example number 2.27. I equal to integral x cube into log x dx we got. So x cube is an algebraic function. So below a you write x cube, and log x is an logarithmic function. So below l write log x. Out of these two, which comes first? Log x. So by the Euclid principle, u equal to log x. Then in the integral, if it is u, then x cube and dx together they are compared with dv. So dv equal to x cube dx, because basically we compare this type of integral with integral u dv. So u is log x, so obviously x cube and dx will be compared with dv, right? So since we have log x, we are going to use the standard formula for integration by parts, that is integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. Okay, we need u value, v value and du value, right? U equal to log x. When you differentiate u with respect to x, we get what? Du by dx. And the log x, when you differentiate 1 by x, we need particularly du, so take dx to the other side. So du equal to 1 by x into dx, right? Now we come here. The other side, we got dv. From that, can we get v? Yes, by integration, right? When you integrate on both sides, you get integral of dv is obviously v, and integral x cube is nothing but x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 formula. So x power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1. So what do you get? X power 4 by 4. So we got v answer also, right? Now by integration by parts, the standard formula integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. Apply all the values. So u value is log x, dv value is x cube into dx is equal to u into v. U answer is log x, with v you are multiplying, so x power 4 by 4. So log x into x power 4 by 4 minus integral v du. V is x power 4 by 4 into du. Du is 1 by x into dx, right? This 1 by 4 we can take it out, and here 1x will be cancelled, so we will be having x cube inside the integral, right? So now this x power 4 by 4 you keep it here, so you have x power 4 by 4 into log x minus 1 by 4 integral x cube dx. So x cube, when you integrate what? It is like x power n formula. Integral of x power n formula is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So x power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 means x power 4 by 4. Okay, we got this stage. In this, x power 4 by 4 is common in both terms. Take it out. You have log x minus 1 by 4 plus c. Example number 2.28. I equal to integral log x the whole square into dx. So write the word I late. So here log x the whole square is a logarithmic function. So below L write log x the whole square. And that is the only function present here. So it is u. So by the Euclid principle, name log x the whole square as u. Right. So if it is u, then the remaining dx will be compared with dv. So dv equal to dx. Right. So since we have log x in our integral, we are going to use the standard integration by parts formula. That is u dv equal integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. Right. U equal to log x the whole square. When you differentiate u, you get du by dx. When you differentiate log x the whole square, you cannot directly say 1 by x. The reason is, so it is not a normal function, it is a composition of function, that is composite function. When you differentiate this part, first we have to differentiate for the square. So normally when you differentiate x square, what is the answer? 2x. Like that, when you differentiate log x the whole square, you get 2 log x into, then log x alone you have to differentiate, then the answer is 1 by x. Now in this, we want du. So take dx to the other side. So du equal to 2 log x by x into dx. Right. This side fully differentiation over, and now this side integration. So dv equal to dx. When you integrate dv, we get v. Like that, the other side, when you integrate dx, we get x. That's all. So by integration by parts, integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. So integral u is log x the whole square, du is dx, right? Equal to uv. So multiply u answer with v answer, that is log x the whole square into x, minus integral v du. V answer is x into du. Du answer is 2 log x by x into dx. This by x and x will get cancelled. So take the 2 outside. So we'll be having this stage. And here you cannot integrate this particular log x directly because we have no formula to integrate log x directly. So again this should be done by integration by parts. So I mark this particular stage as 1 and I'm going to separately integrate this part, and that result I'm going to take it as 2, and after that I'm going to apply that answer in this particular equation 1 so as to get the answer for the given question. Now we are going to see this first from the first equation. Particularly we are choosing one part of the integral, and that is this integral log x dx. This answer we are going to find. So I name this integral as I1. Now I let you write. So log x is the logarithmic function. So below L you write log x, and that is the only function present here. So u equal to log x. So this must be, the dx must be dv, right? When you differentiate u, you get du by dx equal to log x. When you differentiate 1 by x, take dx to the other side. So du equal to 1 by x into dx, right? And this side fully integration. So when you integrate dv, you get v, and when you integrate dx, you get x. That's all. So by the integration of parts formula, integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du, right? Okay, u dv. So u is log x and dv answer is dx. So integral log x dx equal to uv. So log x into x minus integral v du. V answer is x into du answer 1 by x into dx. This x cancel. So 1 into dx. So x log x minus integral 1 dx. Whenever you integrate a number, the answer is number into x. So 1 when you integrate 1 into x, so 1x. So minus is there, minus. So x log x minus x plus c. So the integral log x dx answer is x log x minus x plus c. Now take this answer and use it in the first equation. So that first equation will be now become as integral log x the whole square dx equal to x into log x the whole square minus 2 into this answer, because for log x the whole log x into dx only we are going to use, and this place we are going to write this answer, and now multiply the 2 inside so that you get the answer here. You can see it here. So this is the first result. So in this place I am applying this answer, so we get it, and by multiplying 2 we get the final answer, x into log of x the whole square minus 2x log x minus 2x plus c.